Tomorrow's our opening launch, really. We're relaunching the fact that we've got the full space, the full shop back, and we're doing two events, really. We're launching the book for this guitar, T-Bone Walker's 49 ES-5, and a sort of relaunch of our shop space. So we've got a load of new guitars. We've got a whole wall of Gordon Smith guitars, and we do all the existing brands that we always did as well. We've got a lounge opening upstairs, which is going to be our high-end and vintage lounge, and that opens next week. And that's that's a first. So we're really excited about that. Well, T-Bone's influence on the blues and then later rock and roll is endless, really. I mean, he influenced absolutely everybody, from B.B. King to Chuck Berry to the Rolling Stones to, you can see his music go through all sorts of different things. And this guitar was really his most iconic instrument, so it's associated with him massively. It has a very particular sound. And the way he used it in his kind of showmanship, he created all of the rock and roll drama that you later saw with Chuck Berry and other things, playing guitar behind your head, doing the splits, that kind of stuff. And he did most of that with this guitar. A lot of younger bands started to come along, as you know, in the 60s, and they started finding this place, and they were like, it sounds great, and it's cheaper, and all the rest of it. And because it wasn't tied to any labels, they had a lot more creative freedom here. So that's when you had acts like, when the Rolling Stones came here, they really loved the fact that they had creative freedom. So they recorded their whole first album here and 90% of their second album and their first EP and various other things. And once the Stones had done recordings here, obviously all the other 60s bands wanted to come here. So you had all sorts of bands. David Bowie did his first recordings here. Elton John used to come and do sessions here when he worked across the road. You name it, every British band you can think of at some point, and every British guitarist kind of came through here.
Hello. Your turn.
We have been looking for some time. We wanted to reenact the old studio and bring back a kind of an analog facility, and we think we found the perfect solution for that. It's really, really good. So we're hoping to have an annex space off the existing space where we can put in all the old analog gear and have an actual kind of replication of the old studio. So a place where you go in and primarily try and track live and try and capture the atmosphere of a take, which would be totally at odds with the modern ways of recording.